The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is a timeless classic in the world of finance and investing. Originally published in 1949, it has stood the test of time as one of the most influential books on value investing. With a focus on long-term investment strategies and financial discipline, Graham's principles are as relevant today as they were decades ago, providing a blueprint for both novice and seasoned investors to navigate the complex world of financial markets. The key premise of The Intelligent Investor is centered around the concept of value investing, which involves identifying undervalued stocks and holding them for long-term gains. Graham emphasizes the importance of thorough research, a margin of safety, and the discipline to resist market speculation. Unlike more aggressive strategies, value investing aims for steady, consistent returns rather than quick profits, urging investors to focus on intrinsic value rather than short-term market fluctuations. One of the most significant contributions of the book is its discussion of Mr. Market, a metaphor Graham uses to describe the stock market's tendency to fluctuate based on emotions. Mr. Market is often irrational, driven by greed, fear, or external events, and Graham encourages investors to take advantage of these fluctuations rather than be swayed by them. This lesson is particularly relevant in today's volatile markets, where emotional decision-making often leads to costly mistakes. What sets The Intelligent Investor apart from many other investment books is its emphasis on psychological discipline. Graham stresses that successful investing is not just about intelligence or technical knowledge, but also about controlling one's emotions. Patience, humility, and the ability to remain calm during market downturns are critical traits for any investor. However, some readers may find certain aspects of the book challenging. The writing style can be dense at times, and the examples are somewhat dated, as they reflect the economic conditions of the mid-20th century. That being said, the book's core principles remain highly applicable. Later editions of The Intelligent Investor include commentary from modern financial experts like Jason Zweig, which helps bridge the gap between Graham's time and today's market environment. The book's lasting impact is undeniable. It has inspired countless successful investors, most notably Warren Buffett, who has famously referred to The Intelligent Investor as by far the best book on investing ever written. For anyone serious about building wealth through investing, Graham's insights provide a solid foundation for developing a thoughtful, long-term approach to managing one's portfolio. In conclusion, The Intelligent Investor is a must-read for anyone interested in mastering the art of value investing. Graham's wisdom on financial markets, investor psychology, and disciplined decision-making makes this book an invaluable resource for navigating both the opportunities and risks of investing. Despite its age, the principles it presents are timeless, offering practical advice for financial success in any era.